Hey guys, today I will be decorating a huge mosaic number. What you will need, the mosaic number of course, and the smaller 5-inch balloons in multiple colors to match your color scheme, a balloon pump, scissors, and tape. You can use double-sided tape or balloon glue dots. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is inflate some of my balloons and tie them in a double knot together, forming pairs, and then I'm just going to insert it into my mosaic number. I'm going to do this a couple of times. And then I'm going to crisscross them and twist it to form a mini quad and insert it into my number. And then I'm also going to add in some single balloons throughout. And then I'm adding in a mini pair of balloons. Add however many you'd like for each color. I added about 6 or 8, and then I moved on to the next color, which is the brown. Again, I have a mini pair of balloons. Then I'm going to add in another quad, and I'm even going to sometimes take a pair and just tie one balloon around it. And this is just like a cluster of 3 balloons that I'm going to add in. And then I'm just placing them pretty tightly together. And then I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around my number to match the color scheme of my theme and also of my balloon garland. And I like to keep it in the same color order. So I'm adding in some quads, some pairs, some single balloons, just making sure it looks nice and full. And this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. You could definitely add in more or less. I have different styles and different ways. There are so many different ways you can add balloons. You can go with larger balloons. You can go with a mixture of larger and smaller balloons, but this time I decided to go with all small balloons. But I will link the other methods in the description box down below. Now what I'm doing is I'm going through and adding in some of my glue. I do have the double-sided tape at the bottom of my number, but now I'm adding in glue dots just to secure the higher up balloons and to make sure that none of them fall out of place. Then I just give it a gentle push just to make sure it's nice and secure. And I'm going to just do this throughout. So I do like adding in the mini quads because you have the balloons that are sitting up higher, but you don't have to secure them because they're tied to the other balloons. So I like this method a lot. I don't know what style or aesthetic you're looking for. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. You can even add in greenery if you prefer. Have fun with it and make it your own.